Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Now that we have that out the way, today we'll be tasting a new variety of dragon fruit, and this is the Laverne. If you guys caught my earlier video, I talked about the different hues of the dragon fruit, and this one right here is more of a magenta color on the outside versus the red or the green that I showed on the other videos. So this is the Laverne. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump into the Brix test, the color on the inside, and the taste test. So this is a very new variety for me. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And once again, if you do, go ahead and drop a comment down below and go ahead and hit the like, share, and subscribe to help grow the channel. All right, let's cut this. All right, let's get into this Laverne. All right, guys, so once again, this is what the Laverne looks like on the inside. It's a beautiful pink color. Let's see. All right, let's take the Brix test. So once again, I like to take the Brix from the center, which is right here. So I just kind of poke around, get it nice and juicy. All right, guys, so the Brix on this is coming in at 19, which is pretty sweet. 19 is up there. So the Brix is coming in at 19. Now, for what we've all been waiting for, the actual taste of this fruit. All right. This is definitely it. It's sweet and it's tart, but the only thing about my taste right now is that I just brushed my teeth. So I have a little bit of mintiness going in the back from the toothpaste. So, but it's definitely sweet and tart. Let me try it again from a different angle. Oh, Laverne is definitely a winner. This is definitely a winner. So there you have it. This is the Laverne Dragon Fruit. You know the motto on the, well, hold on. You know I have to bring a special guest in. Come on, Stinks. All right. All right. She has spoken, and it's definitely a keeper. So once again, guys, this is the Laverne. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.